did though.
Good job.
You might do a good job, Baker.
You're doing a very good job.
Very
good job. Tell Daddy what you're doing.
It's snapping the beans.
You're snapping the beans?
Yeah.
How do you do that? Can you show me?
What do you do?
Is that
Like that?
right there?
And then what? The other side.
Then
Snap it in half.
who wants to play?
There you go.
Do you
Look
want to
at
help us
that.
snap some beans?
What? How to snap them?
So you start with the edge.
Here?
You take off each edge.
Yeah. That one.
And then if it's still long, you cut it, you break it in half.
Oh yeah, that one is good. Can I eat?
I probably would.
No. Raw. You
Here,
can eat raw
taste it.
stuff.
I think it'd be better cooked. But I don't know.
I kind of like,
Stuff.
I like raw green beans myself.